Welcome, here I've got REALME Q2 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. So here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion mode, so let's tap on this. And here we are, we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button at the center. We can also go to this one. To change the speed of the slow motion, we can pick from 240 fps or 120 fps. So this is how to change this. Now let's stay on 240 fps and let me start recording to show you how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Now stop by tapping again on this button and let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this one, so we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our slow motion video. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.